roughly 9 months ago from now, I posted this video where I showed you how can you get the Google Gemini Pro subscription absolutely free for 1 year. This offer was only valid for students using your student ID. You could visit this particular link for Google Gemini and upload your student ID, which has a valid expiry date, and then just have it claimed. I did the same, and right now I'm passing out. My student ID is completely getting expired within the next month. And if you are among those people whose student ID is going to expire, and even if you are not among those people whose student ID is going to expire, like you still have 2 or 3 years left in your education career, then trust me, this video is going to be of great help for you. Now, the scene is that I recently received a mail where they asked me to re-verify my student status by re-uploading my student ID and getting it approved again in order to continue my Google free trial. In case you did not do it by the given date, which was June 1st, 2026, you no longer have the access to the Google Gemini Pro at any cost. Now, the only thing that you can do is that cancel out your subscription before you start getting billed for the same. So today we'll see how you are supposed to do that. So for that, you just need to head up to myaccount.google.com. Once you reach there, if you are getting this sort of a ring around your profile picture, that clearly means that you are in the currently Google Pro plan. So for this, just go to the left side, you have the option for Google AI Pro plan. Now here you will be able to see your currently subscribed plan variant and also how long you have been subscribed for. And this is currently offering me 5 TB of space. Now what you have to do, just go over to manage. And from here you'll get the options to upgrade to any other plan which is better than the current one, or downgrade to the 2 TB plan which is 650 a month. In case you are here to cancel it out and you don't want to pay anything at all, just go to the section at the bottom that says cancel membership. From here, just press cancel again. Just choose cancel membership once again because Google definitely does not want you to quit. So hit cancel membership again. Now you'll be taken over to a new page. Over here, you have to do the same, go to manage, and then from there select cancel subscription. Now put on any other reason, just select anything that suits you and hit continue. Now again you have to press on cancel subscription, and with that your subscription will totally get cancelled out. Now over here you will also get to see your subscription ending date, that is 27th August 2026. That is the exact date when I got my video uploaded and the student offer claimed on my account for full 1 year. So yes, that's how you are supposed to cancel it out. Now if you are among those who are going to look out for some other workarounds to continue using the Google Pro plan, the next video is going to be really good for you, because there I'll show you how can you reclaim the Google AI Pro plan unlimited for free of cost, again for a limited period of time. So stay tuned so that you don't miss that update. Thanks for watching.